Outside. That's winter weather. Do you know what season we're talking about?
Christmas.
Give me a thumbs up if you know what season we're talking about. Nessa, can you get closer into the picture there in front of that plant? Very good. Okay, so okay, Addie, what are the rules for being respectful to siblings?
Yes, I don't know. Nessa, what are the rules? Why are you pushing me? I bet that's one of them. Oh, can I do it? Can I do it?
We're talking about appropriate behavior for the video right now, Sky.
Oh, can I do it?
Okay, yes, we'll all participate in what snow or why snow might not be friendly for everyone. Has anybody ever experienced falling on the snow before?
Abby has. Mateo has.
Olivia? I see your hand up.
It hurts really bad. And it's really cold.
Okay, snow's cold. That's why our first procedure says, okay, hands down, I need to teach this lesson.
Protect dress appropriately. Rules leave snow
Oh, okay,
on
let's
ground.
stop there. We're going to do this in small chunks because I want to make sure everybody understands why we want to act safely in the snow.
Why are you acting like we are a 5-year-old immatures that shouldn't be in this video?
You'll learn something, Adina. So, when we go outside and we...
Would you please just call on me?
When we go outside, I need to explain. When we go outside... Okay, I see Adina is checked out. That's kind of like bad behavior that I would like to address. Janessa, can you please come back to the desk? We don't play around doors here. That was Adina's choice to leave, and I will speak with her after class is done. But we need to stay on focus right now. Mateo and Sky, are you having a spat, or are
Yes, he's distracted.
Are you eating?
Oh, we have more distractions from Adina through the window. Well, that's okay. We recognize that she's decided not to learn about how snow can be dangerous. I just wanted to talk about the looks and the sounds of snow. Yes, Janessa, you've had your hand up, but we need to move the lesson forward. Do you have something that's good for everybody, or are you asking me a question?
I have something that's good for everybody.
Sure.
You should, so if like it's snowing and like on your playground, if there's like a bridge, you shouldn't run on it, or else you could get hurt.
Olivia, can you please return?
Because you could fall off of the bridge when you slip.
Okay.
Or you could bang your head on something big.
Okay,
Very hard.
I see a couple. I see a couple looks and feels that. Okay, time out.
And
Mateo, can you please pick up? I know you're not. Can you please? Can you please pick up that marker? Janessa, return to your seat.
would you please listen to me then?
We are listening to you, but this is a very short video. This isn't like a regular deal of class. So we need to write down some looks and sounds of snow. Do you see where it says look and sound of snow? Can you please write those down while I continue the lesson? Janessa, this is your activity. Excuse me. Everybody stop. I asked Janessa to write down what she shared, and then everybody else can write. It's okay that you've written something, Mateo. You can have your chance. It's her turn right now. So, when it gets colder than 25 degrees and you touch snow, it actually gives you frostbite or frost nip. That's the less than 25 and you'll get frost nip. So that's one of the safe things of why we dress appropriately. Let's focus.
I'm sorry.
Let's focus on. Okay, we're going to have everybody share a look and a sound of snow.
Can I go?
But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and start with the structures of snow that should, leave snow on the ground. Yes, Mateo, what does leaving snow on the ground look like to you?
Don't pick it up. Or don't go like this.
Okay. And you think you could write that down? Olivia, do you want to add a sound or a look of snow?
Snow is white, baby.
Yes, it is. Very good. Sky?
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. I think I got it. Wait. You can come to me. Okay. Oh yeah. Don't run real fast on the snow because you might hit your head.
All right.
Look.
That's the procedure that we're talking about for number 3. All right, let's wait for a second, Sky, before we write that down, because we're still on number 1. But let's go ahead and move on to number 2. Structures should be respected. So if, Mateo, Olivia, if you can't pick up snow, how are we going to be building structures? Go ahead.
Just rolling it.
Okay, and what is respectful? Why would we want to respect a structure? Go ahead, Mateo. Sky, I don't think now is a good time to be drinking the drink. Thank you. Can you put that away?
Like, don't pick it up and throw it in a direction or...
Okay, we're talking about structure should be respected. So that's procedure
don't
number
knock somebody
2.
else's structure down that they built unless you have permission.
Okay, Olivia, do you want, or Nessa, do you want to add to that?
Me. Do not go into anybody's snow floats on the playground unless they say so. And ask if you can help them first before you start.
Okay.
Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Oh, I was just
Okay,
gonna ask that.
I just have a minute left on this video because we're going to add to Sky's comment about slipping on the ice. And what would that sound like if we're being careful? No, if we're being careful and being aware of our surroundings. Because remember, this is a safety thing. And not only is snow cold, it is also slippery. Why is it slippery? What does that look like?
It looks like this.
Can you describe it so you can write it on the sheet?
Yes.
Tell me, what does it look like? What does it sound like?
When you're gonna hurt yourself.
Okay, so how are we going to be safe about it? What does
Don't
safety
run.
look like?
Don't run.
All right, that's maybe quiet feet or sticky feet on the ground. Nice tread there, Mateo. Yes, Janessa.
If it's snowing and you should, when it's snowing, you should not, positively, you should not go on the monkey balls. Because if you do, the monkey balls are slippery. Yeah. And you will fall down and you might hurt yourself. Like one Christmas when my sister broke her arm.
Okay, so I can see that there are some distractions. So we're going to
Just go.
pause, but I want to sum things up by saying, yes, snow is not only soft, fluffy, and white. It can get hard and compact. So that's the lesson here. Very good, everybody.
Destroys it.
We can talk more about the science of that.